Thanks for the question, Igor. You asked what software made the $220,000? Before I answer, for about 3 years, the software made almost nothing. Essentially, I'd build something, sell a copy or two, maybe three, and then I'd be on to the next thing because there was no sustainability from it. A hobby, basically. I'm not an engineer. I never went to school for this or trained for this. Everything I learned was from online. I do have a basic understanding and knowledge. What changed isn't a secret, and it's not a trick, of course. I started building with Claude Code actually, and the things I could ship got bigger and better a lot faster. The $220,000 I made was in the last 32 days of 2025. Essentially, these items fell into six different categories, mostly web based stuff and a couple of Windows programs or applications. All of it word of mouth from the first client to the second client to the third client, so on and so forth. They continue to tell their friends and colleagues, and that's where I am today. Essentially, I haven't got into the Apple ecosystem or Android system yet, so this is going to be the next step. Let me show what these things actually were. The first is compliance software, built around a standard called R2, responsible recycling. When a certified company takes in used computers, they have to wipe every drive, track where every device came from and where it went, and to prove that the data has been destroyed. Most places do that in spreadsheets, and they usually fail audits because it's not up to standards. The software does the record keeping for them, so the audit is just a matter of pulling up the file. The second is a little bit harder to explain in a sentence, so I'll be plain about it. It's algorithm engineering. Researchers prove that a faster way to solve a problem exists, but their version often runs slowly if you build it straight from the paper. The work is taking the proof and making it actually run fast on a real machine. The gap between possible and runs in half a second on your laptop. The third is resource management. Software that tracks everything an organization has to keep straight: people, equipment, inventory, time, budget. So nothing sits idle and nothing gets stretched too thin. It's the difference between thinking you have enough and knowing. The fourth is analytics. Every business is sitting on data it never looks at. This cleans it up, finds the patterns, and puts them on a dashboard so a decision gets made on what actually happened, not a guess. The fifth is utilities, small tools that do one job very well. Everything from browser extensions that saves 10 clicks or typing out certain repeatable tasks that you would probably copy and paste from a clipboard usually, or a desktop tool built for one single task. In the computer resale world, for instance, that might be one tool that tests a laptop's hardware, wipes it, and catalogs the specs all by itself. A manual checklist turned into a couple of clicks. The sixth is automation, usually short Python scripts that do in seconds what would take a person a few hours. Renaming files, pulling data off of hundreds of pages, processing records overnight. You write it once and it runs without you. That's basically it. If you're interested in hearing more about what I do or how I do it, I'd appreciate you guys if you take the time to leave a comment, maybe share the video, subscribe definitely, and come back and check out the next videos. Thanks for watching.